Well, looky where I am. Anyone know where I am? Anyone know what I am? The answer is, of course, that I am Spider-Man. In a Halloween outfit. Yeah, this is what did I just hit? This is a Courage the Cowardly Dog map at night, and the model is the Death Claw that someone made. And this is the Spider-Man gun. There's currently the noise of wind blowing. I've had some audio issues with Gmod before. I don't know what's going to pick up. Like that. I don't know if that's going to pick up. Let's try something that I have picked up before. Whoop, nope. And now there's the Nyan Cat music. And that's enough of that. Okay. And... oh, there it goes. First person, third person, first person, third person, first person. And there's I Am Wildcat's voice. Let's see if I can kill myself with it. Yep, there I go. And, what the... I can't move. Why can't I move? Okay, I was gonna quit, but that's really strange. I can move now. Yeah, okay, that's good, I think. Ending the recording.